All right, so you guys got to see everything that kind of happened while we were gone. So we're again blessed to say that we survived it. Milton was, pretty good for us. But for the people that went through Helene and then Milton back to back, I pray for you guys, because I know it's going to be a long journey. I hope some people have insurance and stuff like that can cover some things and FEMA and all that, but we know it's definitely a process. So I'm praying for you guys. While at the hotel Saturday night, Dan started feeling flu-like symptoms, fever, chills, and then Sunday into today, he started having the cough. Today, Monday, Kellan is starting to cough, so I know he has the flu as well. So I'm just trying to keep my vitamins up, try to take my zinc and my multivitamins and stuff like that, and drink a lot of vitamin C as much as I can, because it's probably gonna happen to me as well, but I'm trying to just kind of get them well enough to take care of me in the end. Yeah, so that's kind of the struggle, is really just the flu at this point. It is flu season, so take care of yourself. So I just wanted to check in, but that's our Hurricane Milton adventure. So if you're new around here, my name is Lisa, aka Lisa Lovely, and my husband is Dan, aka Cutting Up with Mac, aka Maxon. He's the one. He's my +1. And yeah, you're gonna be following us on our daily adventures and stuff like that. It's nice meeting you.